Welcome to the Perfume Sales Management System tutorial. To begin with, I am going to create a new account. All the details about the user should be filled accordingly. I am going to create an administrator account which will give access to all functionalities contained in the program. However, if any field is left empty or invalid data is entered, the user is notified by means of these error providers. I am going to correct the errors, and now a new employee is created. Now I am going to log in by entering the respective username and password. Once a user logs in, the main menu is displayed, and since I logged in as an administrator, I am able to navigate through the whole system. As I press the Start Shift button, the date and time will be displayed here, and the timer is used to record the total hours until the user ends his shift. Another function is the Manage Stock, which will enable the administrator to add, edit, save, and delete any data regarding the products. To add a new product, just enter the required data in these fields, and then press the Add button. And now a new product is added to the database. Then if you'd like to modify a product's info, select the row which you'd like to edit and input the details. And now the product is updated. By using the increase and decrease buttons, you are able to increase or decrease a product's quantity level by 1. Besides, a product can also be deleted from the database. In this section called Updates are listed those products which have a quantity value of 5 or less. So I'm going to add a new product with a low quantity value. To be able to test this functionality. To refresh the data, I am going to close the form and open it again. And now the product name is listed here. By selecting the product from this list box and pressing the Update Inventory button, the product level quantity will increase by 100. In the point of sales, the user is allowed to select a desired product by choosing sufficient information from these lists. If the data selected doesn't match with the record saved in the database, a message will notify the user that the product does not exist. In fact, an existent product. So now I'm going to choose valid data, and once the product is added to the cart, all items which are being bought will be listed here with the corresponding price. An item can be removed from the orders list by just pressing the Remove Item button, else press the Submit Order button and all the data regarding the order will be saved in the database. The payment section will display the total items being bought and the user can choose by what means the client will pay his bill. For future reference, this section can be enhanced by calculating the total price once pressing the Calculate button. The user can also be able to input a discount value here. Besides, the system can also be modified to print a receipt for the customers and also generate a daily sales report by clicking this button, and which could be viewed and printed from the daily sales report function here. The report could store all data regarding the sales, including the sale number, product description, quantity, discount and total price. Now I am going to register and log in as an employee. Select employee role and the account is created. I am going to log in with the new account. As you can see, this user has access to these functions only and is unable to use the stock inventory and reports. Finally, to end the shift, press this button and while the timer has stopped, the total hours worked are stored and displayed. The last function is the Terminate button, which will turn off the system. Thank you for your attention.